Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to pay with PayPal in-store step by step. First, make sure you have the PayPal app installed on your phone and that you're logged in to your account. Also, confirm that you've linked a debit card, credit card, or bank account inside the Wallet section. To pay in a physical store, look for a checkout terminal that accepts contactless payments. Open the PayPal app and tap on the In-Store Payment or Scan option if available in your region. In some countries, PayPal works through a linked card inside your mobile wallet, like Apple Pay or Google Pay. When you're ready to pay, hold your phone near the contactless terminal and confirm the payment in the app if prompted. You may need to use fingerprint, face recognition, or your PIN for security. Once approved, the payment will process instantly and you'll receive a confirmation notification in the app. Subscribe the channel for more videos.